Everyone knows MagLoft's over one of the best PDF to HTML conversion service out there. But do you also know that MagLoft now offer an option for your readers to view your content in both PDF and HTML view? Let me show you. With PDF toggle view, you can have the best of both worlds. Convert your PDF into a responsive HTML and allow your readers to see it in both views. PDF view is shown in a dual spread on full Windows, but it is also adjustable to the size of your screen. To access the PDF view of your content, click the PDF thumbnail here. On mobile view, the PDF is shown as a single spread, and you can swipe left and right. Want to go to another article? Worry not, you can use the Table of Contents button here. To see it in HTML view, all you have to do is to click one of the paragraphs on the PDF, and it will lead you to the beginning of the article in HTML view. Want to know how to achieve this? Using our conversion service, convert your PDF to HTML as usual through the Universal App Admin. Easy, right? If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be more than happy to assist you.